Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket reverse walkaround. Knowing how to do a basket walkaround would be really helpful, and we'll put a link in the description below. And this is its kind of brother. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And that's it. So let's break it down. It starts off, as you'd expect, looking like it's going to be a basket. But instead of wrapping the lady into the guy's right hand side, we start to wrap the lady, but the guy heads forwards to the right and turns to his left. So the lady ends up wrapped on the right, but we end up facing the other way and the lady's moving forwards and hasn't had to stop. We're going to keep the lady moving forwards and the guys are going to keep going backwards. So we're just going to walk for 1, walk for 2, release the back arm, sliding the lady away and pose at the end. Now you could have walked for less, so you could have gone all the way around and back to where the lady started with just 1 count of walking. You could have walked for more. Again, these choices make a lot more sense when you're thinking about keying it into something in the music. But let's break it down for numbers. So we go back 1, we wrap 2, we walk 3 and 4, releasing 5 and facing 6. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, basket reverse, walk around. We go a back, wrap, walk, walk, release, and finish. And that is that. Nice simple one, but feels very different to the normal walk around. So it gives you a bit more variety out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move in the channel. Thank you. Subscribing promotes the channel even more. Big thank you for that one. Notification bell means if you've got it turned on in your settings and you hit the bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.